Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup Breakup Blog. I'm doing something a little bit different today because I'm using a new light that I received for my iPhone, and it's really bright, and there is no light on in this house. I mean, in this immediate room. So all I'm using is the light that's on this phone. So if it looks a little shaky, it's because I'm actually holding up with one hand, one arm, my iPhone while I film this. So just to do something different, a lot of the norms, seeing that this is my last video for the year. Yeah. So I'm really excited about this. I'm just checking my eyes, making sure that I don't have any sleep in them, because I noticed in a couple of videos I had like some leftover eyeliner that looked like sleep, and people commented about it. So thank you for pointing that out to me. And let's move forward. So I will be reviewing what is in the latest IPSY, and this is for the month of December. For the month of December, I have this lovely little card, very festive, and it's bent a little so the light kind of like bounces off it, but you see what I'm saying. It looks very, very festive. It says, "Play beauty, spread joy." I would have said slay beauty, slay joy, but that's just me. And it says, "Build your January box from the 1st to the 3rd of January." Whew, okay. Can you believe it? We made it to the end of 2025. Without further ado, let's get into this box. The first thing I see here is from Pore Zero. This is their BHA serum. Loving it. Never heard of this brand, I don't think. Be the Skin. Love skincare products. Can't wait to dive in on that. The next thing I see here is from IPSY. Am I saying that right? I know I've seen this brand from time to time on the internet, and I can't wait to see what it has. This is the Glowy Super Gel. What? Okay. The third thing I have in here, which I'm so happy about, is from Amica, and this is their Perk Up Dry Shampoo, which, you know, I put a moratorium on dry shampoo, but I may just pick it up again. So excited. And it has like a nozzle spray. Okay. The next thing I see in here is from OPV Beauty, and this is from London. What is this now? This is an eyeliner gel pencil duo. Okay. Black and brown. Can't go wrong with that. And finally, last but certainly not least, this looks like it's a, what could this be? I don't know. Let's check it out. This is from Real Her, and it's called You Are Brilliant. And this is a Pro Blush Palette. Wow, this is beautiful. I gotta see what it looks like inside. And this is what it looks like out of the box. It's the same color, a lovely, lovely purple. Here is the palette. This is supposed to be a blush palette, and these are beautiful. I could use these as a contour, actually. These seem like more like peaches and browns, and I'll tell you what the colors are. On the top row, from this side, my side, it's genuine, passionate, and confident, and underneath is, wow. Oh no, I'm sorry. The top row reads genuine, passionate, and confident, and the bottom reads compassionate, visionary, and what is that word? Social, I think it is. So there's the palette right there. Beautiful. That's the bottom three. Ooh, there is kind of a pink tone, but it doesn't look pink. It looks more like a orange, or on the brown side, like a more of a warmer tone. So I'm really keen about that. So just wanted to try out this little experiment of how it would be if I handheld something. I am going to be getting more pieces to my lighting and video equipment, simply because the prior piece I had to hold my phone up does not accommodate the new light fixture that I have that's currently attached to my phone. And I really wanted to use my new light attachment. So there it is. I had to hand hold it, but at least I got to try it out. I'm very satisfied with this. I like it. I mean, such a little powerful little ring, and it gives so much light. I'm impressed. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you an hipster? Are you going to continue to be an hipster for the year 2026? Well, I wish you a very happy, healthy, wealthy, and peaceful new year. with lots of joy and happiness with you and yours. And here's to 2026. Take care, stay safe, and stay hydrated. Bye.